In today's video, we're going to be testing out the 5-minute natural whitening tray from the Dollar Tree store. This is a tooth whitening system where it has a duplex tray where it has a top and a bottom. So you put in the gel-like material and it's supposed to whiten your teeth in 5 minutes. It does say that results do vary, so keep that in mind. It's supposed to be a natural white 5-minute tooth whitening system, fast and easy to use with the patented duplex mouth tray. It's soft and flexible and allows you to whiten both their upper and lower teeth at the same time. So I found this at my local Dollar Tree store. I did already try out the Reach Essentials whitening pen, and you guys really seemed to like that video. I did comment to some people if they had seen the trays. There's also strips, and I'm going to be trying those out as well, but I am very curious about the tray. The first direction is to brush your teeth to remove any debris. I already did that step, so that's already done. We're going to apply the gel sparingly in the top and the bottom of the tray reserves, and then we're going to leave the tray in for 5 minutes. And it does say to use it morning and night, so we're going to go ahead and give it a try and see the first results together. And then you're supposed to remove the tray, rinse it out, and keep it because you're going to still be able to have gel to use. And then you just repeat until you get the desired shade of white that you want your teeth to be. So tooth whitening gel, and then the tray. So it is flexible. I can tell that there's like a little divot on the top, so that must be top and bottom like that. So let's go ahead and put the gel in and then let it sit in for 5 minutes. Let's go ahead and show the before. And let's go ahead and fill the gel tray. It doesn't say that you have to mix it or anything, so we'll just put it in the tray, I guess. Okay, hold it like this and put it inside the tray. The gel is kind of thick, which is probably good because it will probably seep in. And it doesn't really say how much to apply into the tray, so I'm just kind of guesstimating since it's my first time using it. So I have the gel on the top and the bottom. Here it goes. See you guys in 5 minutes. Okay, so it's been 5 minutes. I rinsed out the tray. I also rinsed out my mouth because you could see there was a ton of gel in my teeth. So I went ahead, rinsed that all out, and these are the results. So I do feel like the after is quite a bit lighter and whiter than the beginning. I can still see that like in the crevices in between my teeth, it's not super white. I do have a little bit more of yellowing there, but I do think that over time, this product would actually be very good. I dare say that I like this product better than I like the Reach Essentials whitening pen. That you just kind of paint it on the teeth and it's not super precise, and you kind of have to let it sit there and it just feels weird. It did make my teeth ache. I don't feel like my teeth really ached with this, and I did feel like I didn't have to worry about it getting all over in my mouth and worrying about accidentally swallowing it. It stays in the tray. It is gel, so it does really like stick to your teeth. So that was really nice. So I think that I would reach for this product and then kind of use intermittently the Reach Essentials whitening pen. But as always, it's up to you guys. What do you guys think of the results? Let me know down in the comments section. Would you rather use the tray or the Reach Whitening Pen? If you haven't tried out the tray or the Reach Whitening Pen, go get them from the dollar store. They're only $1. You never know, your results might be better than mine. And I'm also going to be doing a video about the whitening strips. Those ones are by Reach as well. So I'm super excited to try those out. I feel like the strips are gonna fall off my teeth, but I've never used them before, so I'm very interested in using using that. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up for me. If you haven't already and you would like to support my channel, go ahead and subscribe. That way you can be part of the Panda family. I now have 29 subscribers to my channel, and I super appreciate every one of you guys. I think that this is super amazing, and I'm super excited to grow with you and to have you guys see how I grow on YouTube. Remember, I love every single one of you. I hope that you have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video.